My life is in cycles, a highlighted loop. The only loot I got is stashed in my boot. I finish my days with mistakes that I made. Every day I pray that I see a better day. I focus on life, not the hype that surrounds me. Swimming in a lake of hate, fighting from drowning. Blood in my eyes, bursts of love from the dove. I still keep my head up, so I rise above the nonsense and the fake moving pictures. Rub my eyes in disbelief, my hands got the blisters. Natural disasters kill much faster. Will I see my dad? The words of a bastard. A piece of shit hit ain't really what I'm after. A classic rap captured is what really matters. These fake rap actors wanna be the slasher. By the end of the day, they bow to their master. It gets a little lonely when you're standing on your own too. A little lonely standing on your own too. A little lonely standing on your own too. It gets a little lonely when you're standing on your own too. I face my own fears with no one behind me. My mind trapped in the past, it keeps rewinding. I wish the image of the future was one shining, but every time I look, it's the one that's blinding. The love and trust we had just wasn't binding. Trying to convince myself it was just bad timing. Drowning in my sorrow like there's no tomorrow, with no trace of love left for anyone to borrow. Added with addiction that's causing friction. Now inevitable increase from my bad decision. In a downward spiral, feel like my soul is missing. It's gotten past the point where anyone will listen. I'm tossing and turning, shaking and twisting. I gotta figure out what's really my mission. I'll tell you right now, the socialized charming is done. I stand on my own too, I'm an army of one. The solo soldier, my fist smash the boulders. It's time to wake the fuck up and smell the Folgers. All these clowns proud of being so extravagant, but when I get mine, believe I ain't having it. A problem with authority, I won't be told to do anything. Why is pain uncontrollable? I got myself in this mess, I can't find a way out. Every day it's the same shit, day in, day out. With no one to turn to, no money to burn through. Shut myself down, my business don't concern you. Now I lost my way up, it's lonely at the top, accelerated past all the homies on the block. From the sands of Iraq to the Florida wetlands, the only way you take mine is out my dead hands. I bring a track more rare than a fresh DeLorean. This right here belongs to the #1 historian. It gets a little lonely when you're standing on your own too. A little lonely standing on your own too. A little lonely standing on your own too. It gets a little lonely when you're standing on your own too.